what you need to do is you need to prepare everything first. That includes getting the glass. Next is you like to get the milk, which I have actually put inside this picture, and then measuring cup. Now the first step is to measure your milk. What you want to do is you want to pour 130 ml milk into your measuring cup as such. So that's 130 ml milk. And next is you like to take the milk and then you have to pour it into the glass filled with ice. If it takes long, you can just dump the whole ice into it as such. How much ice to put is totally up to you. There you go. And next step is you like to pour the milk that you have measured just now as such. You like to flush the group head first, and then you're all set to go. Place your portafilter inside the group head, slightly tight, glass right underneath the portafilter. We're going to have another shot glass next week to show you how I serve. After that, press 2. Now the idea is when you make a espresso shot, like the espresso shot to be roughly about 20 to 30 seconds. That's the ideal case. If it's longer, it tends to be more bitter. If it's shorter, it tends to be more sour. So the ideal is about 20 to 30 seconds according to the Italians anyway. So you can adjust this accordingly. And this is your iced latte. You can see that there's very nice design of coffee, ice, milk. So it designs really nice. This is your espresso. So Farah, how do you find your coffee? Okay, let's get it. So how do you find your coffee?
Best.
Goodbye and please subscribe. I hate making coffee. Goodbye and please subscribe. Goodbye and please subscribe.
Sekarang recording.